How to page link a PDF in Canva. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to open the PDF file you want to create and add a link into. And let's say this is the PDF file I have just created, and now in this image I will add a link that will show on my PDF. So after clicking on the page, you just have to simply click on the three dot from here, and you can see there is a option called link. You can also click on the image and press on Ctrl plus K button from your keyboard, and here you can see there are previously used some links, so I'll just use this link. You can also add new links to here, so I'll just go with this link here, and as you can see, this is the link I will add to this image and on the PDF, and then you can just click on done and it will automatically add it. So whenever you click on the image, as you can see, this is the link we have integrated in the image, and this is the full PDF format. And so now you just have to click on share, and then you just have to simply click on download from here. So Canva suggests on PNG form, but we need PDF standard form. So best for documents and emailing, we just have to select it and then click on download. And whenever your PDF is downloaded, you can just open it, and you can see if you press on the image after opening your document, you can see if you click on your image from your PDF, it will redirect you to the link we have just added to this image. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.